Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey gems, it's Cassjcass. Welcome back to my channel. I'm not even going to waste time telling you to do something that you already know. Hint and hint again. Well, here's my story. 3 weeks ago, I decided to do MICROLOCS in my head, and I ended up not liking how it looks. I didn't like the parting, and some of them were bigger than the other. I had to keep going back and forth, fixing them, so I decided to take all of them out. Since it's going to be something that I keep for the rest of my life, it is going to be locked, so I decided to start over again with better grids this time. I found that with my hair in general, when I'm doing twists, it's always easier to braid the bottom of it. So that's what I've decided to do. This is the back right now. Oh, isn't this beautiful? But yeah, this is the back. As you can see, better parting. I didn't do this for the other video, but I can't even see what I'm showing right now. So I found it so much easier. I know that it took longer because I did them smaller, but I'm more satisfied. Bye bye, Mimi. I find it more satisfying if everywhere I turn I can part my hair any way I want. So this is what I did. But yeah, so I only have 3 left. I believe from the other from the last hair, I think this one was like 5. This one is now 8. But yeah, I have 3 left, and I'm just gonna show you how I did it. So parting is really frustrating because you're really gonna make sure you do it right. Do it right. I know it's not perfect still because I'm doing it myself, but it's better now. So after parting this, I put my shining gem in it, and I already put the lock gel. I'm still using the same things, and I twist it. I braid it like up to this point and then twist. That's the most thing I hate about my hair. But this one is done. I have 2 more left.